Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to play Tech Cash Express luxury line with 1 cent denomination and $5 bet. Let's see how it goes. Hope everyone is doing fine. We need something. This is the first time we are playing this one. Oh, these wolfies came. So how much we won? $5? I think we won $5 for the wolfies. This is the first time we are playing, so we don't know the rules. Yeah, I think it's not with the first. I saw the rules. It's something in the fifth reel, like a star symbol or a train. I think this is why that's what it says in the rule. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this symbol does something. Oh, this symbol gets the money. So if we have this symbol, it will get this money, $15, yeah. So that's what it does. See, it doesn't give us anything. The voice is very low, right? Volume. Yeah, you see it's a max out, but that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. See, this time it doesn't give. Very clever machine. And oh, we got a green train. Oh, that says major. Does it mean we got a major? Oh, we got something. So this one 50 plus 15, 65. Let's see. Look up. Okay. So this one is a major came. Oh, it doesn't give us the major. It is just we got a chance that we will get a major. Okay. Yeah. So it just gives you the chance. That's why it's a major train. You can and you like it's not sure that you got it. If it comes with a major bogie, then we will. I hope it should be a major. $304. Oh, so $304. Oh, look up. Oh, this train comes. So now what does this train do? This is the first time, so we don't know. Oh, 369, it gives you 369, huh? Oh, this is a golden train, luxury line. Oh, every bogie gives you 369. Ah, only 3 bogies. $1,109. Yeah. So it gives you $1,109, right? It's a good one.
Really?
Huh? Yeah, but
Really
yeah, 1,109 is a big one. Do you think we should continue playing or? Okay guys, it's a hand payout, so we will wait for the attendant and then we will start the video again. Okay guys, we get our hand pay, so we will try for a few more hands. Let's see. Ah, we again got, huh? How much we got? We got a hand pay. So let's see, 75 and near about $100. $96. Okay, let's see. Let's try more hands. We will play till 22 and that's it, right? We don't want to push our luck so hard. This time, no. Maybe this time. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay, guys. So we have $100 original and we won $1,000. So we are in profit. So that's it. Yeah. Okay, guys. If you like our video, please make sure to subscribe it. Okay, guys. Bye.